Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. Let's start our class. In this class, we are going to revise some topics. So let's start. First topic is articles. There are three types of articles: a, am, and the. We use a and an with the countable singular nouns, and a with those who start with consonant letters, and an with the vowel words. For example, a car start with C consonant letter, and an engineer. In this, engineer is starting with the vowel word E, so that's why we write an with engineer. And the last article the is used with some unknown object or person. For example, the blouse, the skirt, the movie. Let's revise from the exercise. In this exercise, we have written a and an before the words. The words who start with the consonant like K, we write A with them, and the word who starts with the vowel word like A, apple, so we write an article with this. Next topic is adjective of origin. There are many types of adjectives like color, origin, material, purpose, but we will study about origin. And origin describes where the noun is from. For example, Chinese, Italian, American, African. In this exercise, we will identify the adjective of origin, like Shazia likes to eat Australian apples. In this example, Australian is an adjective of origin. And in the next part, we will make sentences from the adjective of origins. Next topic is compound words. A compound word is a combination of two words which make a new word and gives us new meaning. For example, snow plus man are two different words. When we combine them, they become snowman. Let's learn from more examples. Toothbrush, toothbrush, runway, runway, and starfish becomes starfish. So these are the compound words. In this sentence, we will circle the compound words. My father brought strawberries for me. Notebook, sunflowers, and password, these are the compound words. Next topic is verbs like be verbs, have, and do. Be verb are the verbs in which we use is, am, are, was, were, being, been, will be. And in have, we use has, had, having, will have. And in do, we use does, did, will do. They help us to express tense, mood, or voice. For example, he had eaten the whole pie. He was snoring all night. The verb to be in present tense, they are am, are, is, and past verbs are was, were, and present perfect are have been, has been. In this part, we will make sentences from be, do, and have as main verbs and helping verbs. Like you are late. In this sentence, be verb are is the main verb in the sentence. On the other hand, you are going to the mall. In this sentence, are is the helping verb in the sentence. The next part is about punctuation. We will punctuate these sentences in our notebooks. Like first letter of a sentence is always capital, and we write dot at the end of the sentence. Name of any person we write with capital letter. Next one is pronoun. Pronoun are the words that are used in place of nouns. There are many types of pronoun like subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive, reflexive, intensive, and interrogative pronoun. But in this part, we will discuss about subject pronouns and object pronouns. Some subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. These are used as a subject in the sentence. And object pronouns are me, him, her, it. These are used as an object in the sentence. Let's learn from the exercise. Like these are the subject pronouns. I love Allah. In this sentence, I is the subject pronoun. Allah loves me. In this sentence, me is the object pronoun. And in this part, we will fill the blanks with correct pronouns. This is my favorite painting. It is very beautiful. Zma and Asma are neighbors. They study together. So in this way, we will complete this part. Next topic is adverb. Adverbs are the words that describes verb, adjective or an other adverb in the sentence. For example, it tells us how, where, when, how much and with what frequency a certain thing is occurred in the sentence. These are the types of adverbs and it usually ends with ly. Let's learn from the exercise. My mother speaks politely. In this sentence, politely, beautifully, neatly, hurriedly, slowly. These are the adverbs as they ends with ly. The next topic is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns which describe the ownership of the subject. For example, this book is my book, not yours. This book is mine, not yours. Mine, yours, his, hers. These are the possessive pronouns which shows the ownership of the person. It means that the things belong to that person. Let's learn from the exercise. The bag is yours. You forgot to take it with you. In this sentence, yours is the possessive pronoun as it shows the possession. The next part is can, cannot. Can is used to describe the ability or possibility of a certain thing, and cannot define that a person cannot do that thing, and they often used to deny permissions. For example, I can speak English, I cannot speak French. So in this way we use can and cannot in the sentence. Let's learn from the exercise. Saad can work in a bank but he cannot teach in a school. So in this way we are talking about the ability of a person, what he can do and what he cannot do. And the last topic is dialogue writing. A dialogue is basically a conversation between two persons. Like this is the dialogue between two friends which are discussing different festivals of Pakistan. Like, do you ever attend the Spring Festival? Yes, I have been there last year. Now they both talking about the festival of Pakistan. So in this way we write a dialogue. So these are the topics. Learn them carefully. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.